Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Magneq Software. So today we have one debate. The topic is computer should replace teachers, right?
Everyone. So today we were discussing on a topic computer should replace teachers. I am Sayandeep and this is Kopi Krishna. So our topic is computer should replace teachers.
Okay, I don't agree with this topic. Computers can't replace the teachers because it's just a learning path of teaching, and we have to use it. We have to adapt to the teachers and not to the technology.
When it comes to as a statement of adoption, computers has the capability to replace the teachers because nowadays everything was digitalizing and whatever the teachers teaching in classes or so-called schools, we can able to get the same knowledge from technology also.
A teacher can teach according to the each student, and he can teach to the every student's path, ability to engage to the every student. But a computer can give the only the dynamic answers which is to the all to the everyone.
When it come to that, nowadays every school is adapting to their own app where it monitors each and every student's growth, and they will guide them where they are lacking and what they should be upgraded in them to compete with others. Likewise, our school or our college has an app where it shows the complete student profile and what are he's backing and where he is backing, and once we work on that we will be upgrading on it.
During the pandemic we have online classes, right? But in the online classes also the teachers has to teach the classes. In that we can't use the computers to teach to the students. We use the teachers to teach.
See, when it come to the matter of online classes, once the teacher can able to record the session and can it be played anytime, not only in online, it can be available on YouTube or else on other educational platforms where a teacher stress and a teacher can just replay that to the new students, not stressing on the topic, saying it multiple times. So that is how even teacher is getting benefited over here, no?
But a teacher can teach the ethical values and human management values like ethics and time management, and we do. That's
So when it come to ethical values and time management, basically I learned my ethical values and time management from my parents. By seeing them, I just inherited no matter of teacher involved here. So I feel that is not that valid.
it changes according to the time when you meet your friends and culture. It will changes, but a teacher can continuously teaches us the ethics, so you will remember for a long time to make you perfect.
So like these ethics will also come from friends, no? So when you meet a bunch of people and when you do some mistake, automatically you will be corrected, no matter of teacher.
Each students and give the answers by real-time examples.
So when you come to this statement, we have an application called ChatGPT, where every individual has access to that, where he goes and put his problem statement, and apart from teacher, that ChatGPT used to tell the exact same answer what teacher is supposed to say, and that even chats with the student to increase his mental ability also.
It's just a dynamic answers on the computer, and it's not the updated version. So it's up to date till November 4, 2021, and updates are not updated to the computer in the AI. So a teacher can be up to date to now.
I accept with your statement, and I suppose to say teacher cannot be able to replace by a computer. Nice.